this video, I will show you how to make a Cash App account under 18. Cash App is actually an application accessible for users above 13 years old. But to be able to create an account on Cash App, you'll need to receive an invite from your family member on Cash App. So in this tutorial, I will show you as a family member how you can send an invite to your cousin, sibling, or daughter or son invite to create account on Cash App. So on your account, go ahead and click on the top right of your screen. Scroll down in this section and you'll be able to find the Family Accounts tab, and that will actually allow you to invite your family to join Cash App. So click on that Family Accounts tab. In here, go ahead and make sure to invite 18. By clicking on that Invite 18 button, the family member, you'll be able to view the transactions that family member is doing on Cash App easily. So hit on that Invite 18 button. And here, go ahead and send this to that specific family member whom you want to invite to create an account on Cash App who's under 18. Once they click on the link that you've sent them, they'll be able to create an account on Cash App. And that is how you can simply make a Cash App account under 18. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.